Welcome to Motivation at Hand, MAA. To know is to know how. In this time of profound loss, Motivation at Hand extends our heartfelt condolences to the families, the courageous crew, and all who have been touched by this tragic event. We share in the collective grief of the world that watched in sorrow, but above all, we must honor the indomitable spirit of exploration that drives us forward. May it serve as a beacon of resilience and inspire future generations to embark on extraordinary journeys of discovery. In this solemn moment, our hearts weigh heavy as we mourn the loss of those brave and steady. The air that sustained them has now run dry, leaving behind a void that makes us cry. To the families who grieve, we extend our care, sharing the burden of this tragedy unfair. Their loved ones embarked on a noble quest, their memory forever etched in our chest. To the crew and workers, who gave their all, we honor your courage and the depths you scrawled. Your dedication to exploration profound will forever echo in the realms unbound. This loss reverberates across the globe, a stark reminder of how exploration bestows. But let it not deter our thirst for the unknown. For progress is nurtured when dreams are sown. In memory of those who dared to venture far, may their legacy guide us, like a shining star. And as we mourn their absence, we must strive to continue to honor the explorers' mission, keeping their spirit alive. The following has been obtained from Rescuing the Titan submersible is an extremely challenging operation. I am the host of a television program called Expedition Unknown on the Discovery Channel. We visited OceanGate's headquarters in Everett, Washington in 2021 to discuss the possibility of creating a special episode on the Titanic. Prior to taking their first group of passengers to the Titanic, we went out with Stockton, the CEO and pilot of the Titan submersible, on a shakedown dive in Puget Sound. We assessed how the Titan performed and considered its suitability for our show. OceanGate raises $18 million to build more subs and get set for Titanic trips. The stock footage of the Titan showcases its remarkable and unique design, unlike any other submersible that has been to the Titanic. Titan is the first deep-sea submersible constructed from a carbon fiber composite. Its carbon fiber hull sets it apart, allowing for a larger size compared to subs that typically visit the Titanic. The interior of the Titan is spacious, accommodating up to 5 people. Overall, the Titan is visually impressive and stands out among other submarines. When it comes to safety, the innovative nature of the Titan raises concerns. OceanGate puts off plans to dive to Titanic shipwreck this year, due to topside Tangleby Allen Boyle on June 13, 2019 at 4:45 p.m. We discussed the safety measures and risks with the operators of the submersible. Evaluating the risk of a one-of-a-kind craft like the Titan is exceptionally difficult. While carbon fiber is known for its strength, its performance under extreme pressures and temperatures is uncertain. We encountered issues with thrusters and computer control during our test dive. Although these problems are not uncommon during a test drive, I ultimately decided against proceeding with our project due to the lack of available data on managing the risks associated with the Titan's design. At the time of our visit in 2021, OceanGate had just begun operating the Titan for passenger voyages, emphasizing its experimental nature. Passengers were made aware of the risks, but the unknowns of the submersible remained significant. Titan incorporates redundant systems and various methods to rise to the surface, such as dropping weights and venting water. However, the design trade-offs, such as the lack of an interior hatch, introduce additional challenges and uncertainties. The search and rescue efforts for the lost Titan submersible continue, and the cause of its failure remains a mystery. Missing Titanic submersible live updates. Has oxygen run out? Urgent search continues by Grace Houck, USA Today, updated 10:48 a.m. ET, June 22, 2023. Communication difficulties and a system malfunction are potential factors that could have gone wrong during its descent to the Titanic. Despite the multiple redundancies in place, the failure to regain communication and resurface raises further questions about the potential issues faced by the submersible. While a complete failure is a possibility, it is challenging to speculate on the exact nature of the problem. We must always respect the power and glory of Gaia and the pioneer spirit for deeper understanding of our precious seas and our deepest connection to her. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.